Welcome to EATS. EATS stands for Energy Efficient Turbine Transportation Systems, and this is how I propose it works. Starting with a conventional bank of jet engines mounted on test beds, the system would use the evacuated negative pressure from the turbines, which would in turn evacuate one single tunnel. The air to power the jet engines being supplied from within the tunnel and from the far end of the tunnel and eventually from the open end. The tunnel would generally be straight and preferably be underground, similar to a large gas main. There would be a shuttle, possibly oval in shape and louvered so that the aerodynamics made the passage through the tunnel level and stable. There would be wheels on all aspects of the outer surface of the shuttle, perhaps with ceramic bearings to withstand extremes of temperature. The turbines would have an unlimited supply of air to stop the engines stalling. The thrust force of the engines would be like a small power station used to heat acres of greenhouses or a town once the fumes and carbon monoxide had been filtered out. The way to imagine this is almost like a bullet in a rifle barrel, but instead of being pushed by positive pressure, it would be sucked instead by negative pressure, and also not as tight as fit as a bullet. The gap around the shuttle, which could be quite considerable, would prevent friction and enable the shuttle to fly. The wheels would come into play at lower speeds. The life support systems, including temperature, pressure, etc., would be similar to those employed in commercial aircraft. The system could also be used for delivering parcels and almost anything. The shuttle would be constructed of aluminium and carbon fibre. The reason why this would save so much time is the shuttle could exceed the speed of a commercial aircraft. There would be safety features in place, such as exit doors front and rear of the shuttle and exits from the tunnel at every perhaps quarter of a mile. There could also be a small flap on the shuttle which would slow the shuttle down in emergencies. The network of turbines would be connected to a control centre with sophisticated software that would also open and close doors within the tunnel to build up speed. It would only be expected for the judging panel to make a small-scale model of this at minimal costs. Small jet engines are available and perhaps some kind of steel piping could be used as a prototype. Thank you.